Hi, little readers. Welcome back, and let's jump right into our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Our digraph this week is O and R. O and R. Together, they say or. And the action for or is similar to the one last week. E or. It's the same song. Are you ready? Okay.
See the donkey in its stall. E-O, is its call.
Now let's look at some words with the digraph or in them. To help you read, I'm going to help you do the actions and sound them out. And then, with the help of the sound dots, you can put together the sounds and read the word. Ready? Okay, word number 1. Ka or Again. Ka or Did you get it? You're right. It's horn. Word number 2. Or. Again. Or. I'm sure you got this. You're right. It's fork. Word number 3. It's or. Again. Or. What is it? Yes, it's horn. Word number 4. Or. Again. Ka. Or. You're right. It's cord. Now, word number 5 is b or Again, it's b or What is it? You're right. Born. You're getting really good. Now it's time for your solo work. That means you need to work on your own. All I'm going to do is do the action. Now, with the sound dots, you put the letter sounds together and read the word. Are you ready? Okay, word number 1. Again. I'm sure you got that. It's sport. Word number 2. Again. What is it? It's snore. Word number 3. One more time. What is it? You're right. Board. Board. Word number 4. Again. You know this. Storm. Storm. Well done. And word number 5 is again. Get it? I'm sure you did. It's stork. Stork. Wow. Again, you've mastered the or digraph and you learned 10 words today with the or. So it's easy for you to read words with the or digraph now. Okay, so I'll see you in the next digraph. If you've reached this point and you're having fun, please like, subscribe. Okay? See you in the next digraph. Bye.